So today we're in Lloyd's kitchen. We are going to make vanilla extract, and to do that we're taking about 5 grams or 4 vanilla beans, 5 grams a piece. So we got about 20 grams of vanilla beans, and we're putting them into this maple syrup bottle. And we've cut them in half, and then we've split them along their length. And they fit nicely into this little 250 milliliter bottle. And then we're going to fill that up with rum. And in this case, we're using Kraken rum, which comes from Trinidad and Tobago. I have a friend named Trevor that immigrated from Trinidad and Tobago to Canada, and he would just love this stuff, no doubt. And once we have this full, we will put the cap on it, let it sit for 6 to 8 months